It was a cold December rain. Well, of course it was cold. It's December, and it's raining. That kind of thing just doesn't happen around here very much. But it definitely happened. I was checking out along the Bow River looking for whatever I could find that was interesting. I was pretty sure I was going to find some ice, but no, not much of that. Magpies, absolutely. Eagles, all over the place. And geese, of course. Up on the benchlands above, very little snow. This jackrabbit probably found it a little bit strange lying out there in all that brown grass. There was ice among the islands where the river slows down behind the Carsland Weir, but still lots of open water too. The breeze that had been blowing up top was slightly less down below, and you could hear the raindrops falling and a train passing by Carsland about 5 kilometers off to the north. The rain came down hard and heavy for a few minutes, and when it passed, it left a light blue mist in the valley. All those warm fall colors that are often covered by snow at this time of year just glowed against all that blue. And the passing storm left ragged clouds hanging in the sky. Yeah, it was a strange, cold December rain, but that's southern Alberta.